And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. What are we doing tonight? I am cleaning up some parts on the, what the hell is it called? The Peter Wright Leg Vise. I promised myself I'd get that stupid thing off the floor. It went from over here on the floor to in pieces to over there on the floor and even more pieces to trip over. So tonight I'm going to try to finish a couple of pieces, clean off the wire brush. Not making it perfect, I'm not stripping it down completely. I'm just cleaning it up, and I don't know what the hell I'm coding it with, but I'm cleaning it up for now. And it's getting done, and I'm going to try to mount it somewhere in here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So stay tuned, and I'm going to add this to the video. Hello YouTube, I'm cleaning up some parts here. So I'm not going to clean it all tonight because I have my door closed and it's, I don't know, late at night. Don't want to scare the neighbors. So I'm just going to clean up the Baldur has the wire brush on it. So I'm going to just continue wire brushing some of these pieces. Probably get a couple of bigger pieces. And when it's sunny out, I'll do the other pieces. So if you want to watch, it's all good. If you want to watch, you don't have to. So anyway, yeah. Got my glasses, my other glasses, my sleeves up. Yep, wearing gloves. I like this thing stuck in there. Hello YouTube. I'm grinding down some shit here. Yeah, I got this on because it's covered in dust in here. I'm gonna have to wire brush this. Use a small wire brush inside. I don't know if you can hear me. Take these things to the microphone. But yeah, pretty cool. This is what I wear when I use the grinder. It's better than losing an eye, losing a lung, and look at a space cadet. But you know what? Let me take this off here. Look at a space cadet, but who the hell cares, right? Let me take this off here. Let's see. Come on. That's what I use to grind down this thing. Let me take this off here, I can't see. I'm going to have to wire brush it in the middle. I could evapor rust this, but I like the way the wire... I agree with one other guy on some other channel. I like the way the evapor rust looks. Not the evapor rust. I like the way the wire wheel looks on these. And the vapor rust gives it a different kind of look to it. This I'm thinking I'm just like I'll do like everyone else does. Clean it off with a wire brush, just spray it with clear lacquer, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that for tonight, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. The next video I'm gonna make is I'm gonna go over with a bigger wire brush. I gotta get my electric drill to get the small parts or my cordless. I used a little Baldor because it came with a wire brush. It works great. So enjoy.